Refrigerators, which at one time displayed works of fine children's art. I don't know if you guys
still do.
Yeah, mine still got kid art on it, right? Well, now the fridges are works of art themselves.
Fine art fridges.
It's like a suitcase.
Are popping up in Chicago along Michigan Avenue. The cool idea came from the folks at ComEd. They're trying to highlight the company's appliance recycling program. Chicago area artists designed the 9 recycled refrigerators, which stand street side through September
like a filing cabinet.
15th. That one does. But, you know, in Greer, a few months ago, they unveiled the street cars that artists have designed. I know a lot of cities have done, you know, cows and
Cincinnati
pigs.
Big Fish in Anderson.
That's
Big
true.
Fish in Anderson, absolutely right. Well, that's a cool public work. I mean, I guess it's better than having them in a landfill, right?
Yeah.
It's better to paint them up and make art.
Hopefully they got them locked good, though.
You would hope so.
You know,
That's
that
true.
also, you know, the minute we say it.